Future Millionaire. I thank you all. The incredible show of support is humbling. We're up to 847 followers now, plus 132 from yesterday. I'm blown away. The incredible demand for the official documents so that you can store them, save them, or at least read them for the first time, I've heard. So this is document 473, and this is from April 29, 2022, and this has to do directly with Bill Hinman. So, SEC, Burst Ripple Labs, Inc., number 20CV10832, ATSN SDNY. Dear Judge Netburn, in accordance with the court's orders, the SEC respectfully renews its assertion that the attorney-client privilege protects internal documents related to June 14, 2018 speech. The privilege applies because these documents in whole or in part reflect communications between Director Hinman and SEC attorneys requesting and providing legal advice about a matter under the SEC's purview. When an offer or sale of a particular digital asset constitutes an investment contract and thus a securities offering as defined in the federal securities laws, and correspondingly what Director Hinman could say about this matter in the speech, the SEC also seeks leave to protect under the deliberative process privilege 2 additional comments in speech drafts that satisfy the requirements of the April order at 10. I. Overview of the speech documents. In early May 2018, David Fredrickson, Court Finn's then chief counsel, began drafting the speech, working closely with 2 other attorneys. Valerie Skrzbannik, Court Finn's senior advisor for digital assets and innovation as of June 9, 2018, and before that an assistant director in enforcement cyber unit, and Michael Seaman, then Director Hinman's counsel. The first 23 entries listed on attachment 1 to the SEC February 17, 2022 motion for partial reconsideration and clarification of the court's January order, DE 429 at 12, reflect drafts that these attorneys exchanged among themselves, with Director Hinman and with Court Finn attorneys who held responsibility for digital asset issues. These entries reflect legal advice about what Director Hinman could and should say about the application of the securities laws to digital assets. The SEC seeks to withhold these drafts in their entirety because legal advice about digital assets is evident throughout the drafts, and because, as explained below, disclosure would reveal confidential communications between SEC attorneys providing legal advice and Director Hinman, who, as an SEC employee, could seek legal advice from the SEC's attorneys and was the primary SEC official acting as client in this